Good morning, everyone, and happy Friday. It's the end of the week. Are you as excited as I am? Hopefully, this is going to be a sunshiny weekend where we can get out and play, maybe even make some chalk masterpieces in the driveway if you haven't been already. I know I've been seeing some in my neighborhood, and they're pretty cool. Anyways, that being said, I have one more piece of art stuff that you can look at today and give it a try. And I'm going to be posting another video a little while later on a piece I've been working on all week. It is called a 5D painting, and you'll see what that looks like once I post my link. I think you're gonna like it a bunch. Before I show you exactly what we're going to be doing today, I want to remind you today is Friday, which means that you need to be submitting your Google Forms to me so that I know you've been keeping up with all of your art minutes. Remember, we're looking for a minimum of 10 minutes a day. If you did more than that, fantastic. But remember, click on the link that I have sent out through Class Dojo and is on your Seesaw and Google Classroom pages. It's called the Google Form. You should be able to get there as long as you sign in with a Gmail address and just fill out the questions that it asks. Hit submit and it'll send it to me and you'll be good to go. All right, let's check out what we're doing today. We've been all week long. I want you to head to that VEPA page on the GISD home learning site, and today we are going to be clicking this link, Scratch Garden Art Songs. It is going to land you on a YouTube page. Of course, with all YouTube pages, we're going to have an ad beforehand.
A rocket ship, you need to be an optimist. No asterisk.
Well, that looks like a cool ad. Anyways, Scratch Garden, it's going to lead you to our art songs. Now, this is a 15-minute long video, and I don't expect you to watch all of it. Absolutely not. They have 5 different songs in this little video presentation right here. And I wanted to tell you exactly the timestamp that you can go to reach each one of the videos. So it's going to start off at the beginning of the video with a basic color song. So that'll be just starting right here. Color song would be great for my kinder, first, and second graders. It's going to review primary colors and secondary colors. So I think that would be a really good one for you guys to check out. It's a really catchy song. After the color song is going to be the line song. The line song is going to start at the 2:18 mark right there, the line song. Line songs, we've been learning about lines in kindergarten as well as in first grade. Second grade, this is always good to review. What are horizontal lines? What are vertical lines? What are diagonal lines? And how can we get fancy with the rest of our lines? So this would be a great song for my little ones right here. The next song that's going to be coming up is called the value song. That's going to be at the 4:33 mark. So I'm going to jump right there. And that's going to be the end of the line song into the value song. This would be a fantastic song for my 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders to be looking over and to be experimenting with today. It's going to be talking about tints, tones, and shades. And I'd like you to figure out exactly what those are and experiment with creating some tints, tones, and shades of your own. Alright, that's going to be the value song. So next up at the 7-minute mark, I'm going to have if I can get there, the texture song. Texture song would be a great video for kinder, first, and second. Review what is texture. Can we find some interesting textures in our own home? And can we start practicing how to draw texture? Texture can be something we find in real life and something that we can draw to make things look a certain way. Now, I know we've been practicing texture, especially in 2nd grade, and we hadn't gotten to go over it quite yet in kinder. And I know 1st graders, this would be a review. So I would love for my little ones to check this out. Last but not least in this video is going to be the advanced color song at 9:28, if I can get there. Of course, it's going to have me go through an ad again. Classic YouTube. Let it pause for a moment. See if it'll come back up. Perfect. The Advanced Colors song. This is something I would like 4th and 5th graders only to look at. It's going to take the color song and it's going to remix it in a whole different way to introduce to you colors like warm and cool, complementary colors, tertiary colors, analogous colors. These are all big fancy words for a bunch of different kinds of colors. 4th and 5th graders, I would love to see some creations today with some analogous colors, some tertiary colors, and maybe label those and explain them to me if you can. Remember, you're always welcome to post videos on Class Dojo for me to see. Email me if you'd like. I'll be here again today from 12 to 2 p.m. on the Google Meet page, and I'd love to see your work. Have a great Friday, guys, and an excellent weekend.